Hello guys, once again welcome to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also share my videos. Guys, remember to click on the notification bell so that you could be the first person to get update from me whenever I release a new video. Also, I've included a new WhatsApp group link in the description box. Kindly click on it so that you could be able to join my WhatsApp group. So guys, today I'll be showing you a new TRX mining site that I discovered. So guys, stay tuned whilst we jump onto this site. So there is this site called trxminingfarm.com. Don't worry about the link, it's in the description box. Click on it so that you could be able to join this platform right now, right here. So guys, first of all, I'll show you some basic things that you need to know before you can actually sign up on this platform. So this site is also an investment platform. So guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you how I make money online. So guys, when you come here, there are some basic plans that you can actually purchase for yourself to boost up your earnings. So for example, if you purchase the 200 TRX for 10 days, you'll be getting 22.2 TRX each and every day, and there will be no fees for this withdrawal. When you also come here, and if you deposit 1000 TRX for 30 days, you'll be getting 45 TRX, and there will be no fees for your withdrawals. Absolutely free. So guys, let me show you how you can sign up on this platform. So first of all, you need to click on the sign up button at the right top corner over here. So when you click on it, it will load to another page where you provide your details about yourself. So when you come here, you type in your full name, your username, your email, you type your email, your secret password, then you type the password again, your secret question and your secret answer. Then you provide all your wallet address for the various cryptocurrencies over here. Then you click on the verification, you click on the terms and conditions to accept, then you click on the register button. I'm already having an account, so I'll just click on login. So it will load us to another page where I can actually log into my account dashboard. So guys, wait whilst I do this quick login. So guys, this is how the dashboard of the platform look like. So when you come here, they will give you a free 0.61 TRX. That's absolutely withdrawable. You can actually withdraw these 0.61 TRX. They actually deal with cryptocurrency pairs, so you can actually deposit Tether over here, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and TRX. So guys, you can actually deposit any of these coins in pair of Tron. So they'll give you a bonus of 0.61 Tron TRX in pair of Litecoin over here. This one is withdrawable. You can withdraw it anytime that you want. So guys, when you come here to you can actually refer your friends and family so that you can boost up your miners. So if you want to do that, you just click on the referral system over here so that you could get your affiliate link and share it with your friends and family. So when you click on it, it will load you to another page where you can actually copy your affiliate link and share it with your friends and family so that you can actually boost up your miners. So guys, if you want to withdraw your earnings you can actually click on the withdraw funds button over here so that you can actually withdraw whatever funds that you are currently having. So guys, I'm having only their minimum withdrawal is 20 TRX, but in the Litecoin they'll be giving you 0.61 TRX in pair of Litecoin. So assuming we want to withdraw our Litecoin, so this is the amount of TRX we can actually withdraw. So guys, we are not going to do that. We just wait for our free mining to go on. So we click on user account to go back to our dashboard. So guys, as you can see currently from here, my mining is ongoing and it's really super cool. So guys, that's all you basically need to do on this site to boost up your minings. So guys, you can actually go for the investment or stay with the free mining. So that's all you basically need to do. If you find my videos really informative, click on the notification bell so that you could get more updates from me, and also subscribe to my channel, share my videos and like my videos, comment on the videos.